Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here. Now tonight I'm going to answer the question why it's not good to compare yourself to others, especially when your goal is to lose weight. And there are a number of reasons why using the comparison to others is not a good thing. Number one, because there are individual differences in people's metabolism and body composition. Every person has a very unique metabolic rate and body composition. Factors like age, gender, genetic predispositions, and hormonal balances play a significant role in how one's body processes food and loses weight. What works for one person may not work for another, so making comparisons are oftentimes unreliable. And number two, there are different health conditions and dietary needs that each person has. Individuals may have different health conditions or dietary requirements that affect their weight loss journey. So comparing your progress to another person is just not a good thing, and it's not helpful. For instance, some people may have thyroid issues and diabetes or food intolerances that others do not. And these conditions can significantly impact the pace and nature of weight loss. And number three, psychological impact and unrealistic expectations. Comparing oneself to others can lead to unrealistic expectations and a distorted view of one's progress. To me, if you were to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week, that's a very good weight loss journey for the week. And that should be, for most cases, someone's standard. You want to make some progress week to week, but don't set yourself up for too higher expectations and then later feel like a sense of failure or lack of completeness. You want to set your goals realistically. Another reason why you really can't compare your progress to other people because of varied lifestyle and habits. Some people have more stress than others. Some people get more sleep during the night. There are significant factors in terms of what's going on in their environment that may affect their weight loss, weight release abilities. So there's a lot of variance amongst people's lifestyle and habits. So comparing yourself to another person just is not realistic. And also, the last thing is unrealistic to compare your results to others because people have diverse goals and priorities. People have different goals and priorities when embarking on a weight loss journey, and while some aim for weight loss, others might focus on building muscle or improving endurance or enhancing overall well-being. So those are the factors to keep in mind, that it's not really realistic to compare your results to others. So I would say that keep your blinders on. Look forward, don't be distracted by what other people are doing, and you will succeed and persevere and meet your own goals. So this has been my discussion tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please leave them below. This is Stu Weinstock, and again, I have some great nutritional supplements supplied by the good people at LiveGood. If you have interest in that, they're high-tier ingredients at a very modest price and very helpful for your ketogenic journey. So if you're interested in that, definitely indicate that in the comments below. And please smash that key below this video. And I'd like you to follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel by hitting that icons. And thank you so much for doing that. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.